Alrighty, it's Friday, June 15th. I'm down here at Steel Creek Park. My boss gave everybody the notice that I was leaving July 6th. July 6th is 3 weeks from today. So in 3 Fridays, I'm gone from work. I'm ready to hit the road and start living the retired life. I'm excited, buddy. Yeah, it's gonna be great. I gotta slowly work my way up through North Oklahoma, Nebraska, Kansas, and eventually I'm going to end up in South Dakota. I'm going to become a South Dakota resident. So that's the plan. 3 weeks. Yes! And tonight for this weekend I'm back here at Steel Creek Park down on Lake Whitney. Just going to have a nice weekend, relax. I got to do a little bit of work on the van as normal, but it's going to be a great weekend. I even painted the back doors just from the windows down because they had a bunch of very colored and dirt areas. Looks better, not great, but it'll help the life of that door. Well, another weekend's over. It's been great fun, relaxing. I got some work done, as you saw, on the paint of the roof of the van. The paint was coming off the primer. These vans I think it was from 1999 all the way up to like 2007, just known for having a bad paint job. You ever see a bunch of cargo vans run around, look at the roof and on the hood, and you'll see that a bunch of paint is usually missing. I hope I remedied it for a while, at least on my van. And I got to fly the drone. It was fun. And I got my very first contributor to Patreon. Thank you, Rains One Girl. I will be sending postcards out on my stops. It's been a great weekend. Hope y'all have a great week. And I just have 3 more weeks of work. Oh boy. Well, it's July 14th. Excuse me. Take 2. Test 1 to see if I'm high enough. Test 2, height and distance.